So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Wayfair couch. I'm super excited, and so I'll let you guys know how it goes, what the experience is like, and what you can expect if you purchase a couch from Wayfair. So my couch came in 5 pieces. So we got 5 boxes here. There's one over there in the corner that came yesterday, but these all came today. And so we're going to go ahead and put it together, and it's gonna go right here. My old couch is back there. My husband's gonna have somebody come pick it up and get it out of here. So let's see. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? I'm excited. I'm excited. Hey YouTube. So today is day 2 with my new Wayfair couch. The old couch is still behind me, but my husband will be having somebody come pick that up, I think on Saturday. But I just wanted to pop in here and let you know I was able to actually do a little work on the couch today, as well as just, you know, just kind of relax a little bit on the couch today. And so I wanted to kind of give you guys a better idea of my thoughts. Now, this is my second couch that I've purchased from Wayfair. My very first couch that I purchased there was for my bedroom. It's just a love seat. Because like I said, it's for my bedroom. But that couch, it did take a lot longer to come. This couch, it only took 2 weeks from the day that I purchased it for it to come. And actually, in the midst of the transportation, my credit card got compromised. I don't know what happened, but my credit card was compromised and I had to cancel it before my actual couch purchase was completed. And they actually shipped it and everything, and so my new card got here yesterday, as well as the couch got here yesterday, and I was able to call in and update my payment information. So I'm not saying that, I'm just letting you guys know that even though there was a hiccup during my purchasing process, Wayfair still sent the couch, even though the my card actually was shut down. But like I said, I went on ahead and paid it yesterday when my new card arrived in the mail. So the couch is a good quality couch. It's pretty firm. It also, the only thing I'm worried about is the color, the lightness, because even though my kids are older, they still have spills and stuff. But this was not something that broke the bank. Like, the couch that's in my family room is pretty expensive, and when I purchased that couch, I knew that I wanted it to last a long time. I'm not expecting to keep this couch very long, maybe 3 years at most, but it looks to me so much like the cloud couch that you can get at Restoration Hardware. I was in love with that look of the 2 loungers, and so that's the reason why I got it. But I really do love the couch. I think it's a great addition to my living room, and I'm definitely gonna do some retooling in here. So once everything is all done and my rug gets here, my throw pillows get here, and my coffee table and everything gets here, I'll come back and show you guys the restyling of this room. But this was a great purchase. If you're thinking about purchasing from Wayfair, I would definitely say give it a shot. Like I said, this is my second couch that I purchased from Wayfair, and each experience was pretty good. My first couch, it did take a long time for it to come. It took over 2 months for it to come, but this couch, like I said, only took 2 weeks. And the first couch that I purchased from Wayfair, actually I've had it for about 7 months now. It still looks great. It still feels great. I do rotate my cushions so that they don't wear out. Yeah, guys, I definitely would recommend it. So I'm gonna give you guys some more shots of the couch. I need to move my stuff because I've been sitting here working, but I would definitely, if you are wondering, because I know it's weird to actually order furniture and you haven't touched it and sat on it or anything, but Wayfair does a really good job. So I would recommend it, and it saves you a little bit of money because this couch, the way the layout of it, I actually had found something like this at Ashley Furniture, which is a local furniture store to me here in the Georgia, and this same couch was about $2,300, and I didn't pay nowhere near that from Wayfair. I paid $900 for this couch. So oh guys, I also wanted to pop back on here and let you guys know about I did record me and my son putting the couch together, but I did want to say it did take us about 45 minutes to put it together. We did run into a little bit of a hiccup with the corners, but once we figured it out, we got it done. It wasn't tedious. Like if I had to, I would have been able to put this together by myself, but it was nice to have help. It made the process go by a lot faster. But it was pretty much like if you're used to furniture that kind of just clicks in place and then you tighten it up, that was pretty much what the process was, putting this couch together. So I wanted to hop in here and let you guys know that as well. What's your initial thoughts?
It's more comfortable knowing that I put it together. But I'll get like 8.5.
It's nice, huh? It's a lot bigger than our old couch. It got here pretty quick. I like it. I'll give you guys another quick look through, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.